Now you will be probably thinking, why am I showing you guys this picture of a cute baby? Just imagine, instead of just a picture, you had a video of this moment as well. Like this. Amazing, right? Let me show you how to do it. Search Eluo AI and click on the first website. Here's the dashboard. The first thing you need to do is sign in. Once you're in, this is where you can enter a prompt or upload an image. This tool allows you to create videos from images, generate videos from text, or even combine both. You can upload an image and describe how exactly you want the video to look. For now, let's explore the image to video feature. Since we are using the free version, the video generation might take a bit of time. So to keep things moving, I've already uploaded the image and the video is ready to go. Let's check it out. The results are amazing. This is by far the best image to video tool I've come across. Now let's try its text to video feature. I have generated a fun prompt using ChatGPT to create a video of a rock band made up of different animals. Let's see how this tool brings that wild idea to life. As you can see, it has created an amazing and colorful video. The quality is fantastic, way better than I expected. Now let's try combining both the features. I have uploaded this image of a guy holding a flower bouquet, and I have generated a prompt asking to throw the bouquet in the sky. Let's see the output. As you can see, it has created the video as instructed. The throwing part was not handled that well, but anyways, it depends on the quality of the prompt. The better the prompt, the better results you get. Check out some videos I have created using the image to video tool while I share some important details about this free tool. When you sign in, you receive a 3-day free trial, allowing you to generate as many videos you like without any limits. After the trial period, you'll get 90 credits per day, with each video costing 30 credits. This means you can create up to 3 videos daily, which is quite fair for a free version. So be sure to check this tool out while it is still free.